Have you ever tried to open an important email but found the file format completely incompatible? It's frustrating, right? Today, we're going to tackle that problem in a very simple way. Welcome to our deep dive into the Softaken MSG to VCF Converter software. Softaken MSG to VCF Converter takes your emails saved in MSG format and converts them into VCF format. This makes transferring your contacts easy and quick. First, you need to download and install the software. You can find it on the Softaken website. Once installed, you'll open the program and see a simple interface. Next, you'll also need to choose the destination folder where you want to save your VCF files. This step is crucial. It's much better to have your files organized from the start. Now, after you've selected your MSG files, it's time to hit the Convert button. The software will start the conversion process, and you can see the progress on your screen. One important feature is its ability to maintain data integrity. The software keeps your contact details intact. You don't have to worry about missing any critical information. This converter works with all versions of Windows. Plus, it doesn't require Outlook to be installed on your computer. So don't hesitate to give it a try today. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.